Hi foodies, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making some buttery coconut cookies. Let's get into it. So at this point, we really want to get some of that coconut on the outside of the cookie, but try not to press too hard because we don't want to flatten this. We just want to try and get some of the coconut on the surface. Now we're going to plastic wrap these and chill them for a few minutes. This is just going to prevent them from spreading too quickly, but it'll also give them a nice crunchy texture on the outside. Now I wanted to make these because there are some coconut cookies or some coconut biscuits I used to have as a child. Used to love buying them, but I can't get them here. I don't even think they make them anymore. So this is why I made this one, and it's absolutely delicious. Really good with coffee or tea or just a snack. So give it a try guys and let me know what you think. Thanks for joining me. See you next time.